Okay, so I'm holding quite a bit of pressure, it feels like, on the top end of this YZ250 through that grease zerk. You can see I got that threaded in. Some liquid was coming down, so it might have been leaking, but that would be before the grease. These screws here, this is the power valve. I'm not sure, I'm used to older bikes, and this goes along and it does affect the chamber. So if the grease is getting out through that, it won't be putting the pressure on the head and on the cylinder that I wanted. But I'm going to set this up again, and we'll see if I can give it a few more, and if anything happens. It sounded a little bit like something was moving. I'm not sure. I don't know if this lighting, how much you can actually see. Something, I heard a metallic noise and then it felt like the pressure dropped. So something seems like it's moving. Hopefully I'm not wrecking anything. Ooh. So my grease fitting fell off, or on my hose anyway, off the grease gun, so put it back. Oof. Starting to lose, like either I can't generate any pressure or I've used up all my grease already, which this is a pretty new tube. So again, yeah, I'd like to think that I'm getting some pressure on that, but it's hard to say with that power valve at the top if the grease is escaping. But I don't see it going anywhere, so like I don't see it coming out anywhere around the head but you know, if that's got some tension on it, it might be worth just letting it sit overnight and see what it does. I see some liquid dripping here, so maybe it was pushing a little something down just off the throat there. I'll keep at it and keep you posted. Thanks for watching.